Say aviary. Good. Aviary. 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 Yeah. Do you know what an aviary is? It's a special exhibit at the zoo that's for all the birds. Yeah, an aviary is an enclosure for birds. Can we say birds? Yeah, do it one more time. Yeah, okay. Birds. Yes, excellent speaking. So, Bob and I and you, we're gonna go in the aviary and we're gonna check out the birds. Yeah, let's go. Whoa. Do you see all those birds? Bob, do you see? Wow. There's so many birds in here. There's so many different kinds and colors. Oh, hey, remember, those worksheets are down in the description. Yeah, these. If you want to print them out and do them as we go through, you can totally do that. Yeah, it'll give you some extra practice with these skills. Yeah, it's so fun. Wow. It sounds like one of the birds is upset. Oh, no! Do you see which bird is upset? Which one? Which one? The parrot? Oh, which parrot? The red parrot? Oh, okay, oh my. Oh, yeah, you're right. Wow, the red parrot is so upset. Oh, no. Oh, hey, can we help out the parrot? Yeah? Great. Okay, let's see what's wrong. Excuse me, red parrot. Yeah, are you okay? Oh. See, the red parrot is upset because she lost her brother. Yeah, she said her brother was here beside her and then he flew away and she doesn't know where he went. Yeah. Oh, really? Okay. Yeah, okay. She said that he might still be here. He looks exactly like her. Yeah, they look the same. Do you see another bird here that looks the same as her? Which one looks the same as her? What? Oh! Wow, you're right! Hey! That's probably her brother. Let's tell her. Red parrot. Yeah, I think we may have found your brother. I think he's up here on the top branches. Hey, right here, right there. You see? Right there. Is that him? It is! Yes! Okay, awesome. Yeah! Oh. Hey! Right, we helped her. Good job. Yeah, see? Those two parrots look the same. Yeah, they look the same. They're the same type of bird, both parrots. Yeah, and they're the same colors. Wow, and the same size. Wow, they're the same. Good job. Oh no. Someone else is upset. It's the toucan. Yeah, you see the toucan? Toucan. Wow, let's see if we can help the toucan out now. Because you did such an awesome job with the parrot. Let's see. Okay. Toucan? Hey, why are you upset? Oh, the toucan said that he lost his friend. Yeah, he said that his friend looks similar to him. Not the same though, but similar. Oh, he said his friend's another toucan. Do you see another toucan that looks similar to him? What? Oh, of course. Yeah, good job. Wow. There's another toucan and he is a different color. Very good. Hey, wow. That's a very colorful toucan. Yeah, he's purple. Wow. Hey, purple toucan. Hey. Yeah, your friend is upset. He said that he lost you. Do you want to come down here with your friend? Yeah, over here. Oh, hey. Hey, yeah. All right, the toucans together. Yes, and you see how the two parrots were the same, and these two toucans are similar, not the same. See, they're different colors, but they're very similar, both being toucans. Good job. All right. Hey, let's keep going. Come on, Bop, more birds to see. Wow. Wow. Do you see what kind of birds those are? They're so pink. Yeah, you say pink. Yes. Well, I love pink. Do you? Yeah. Cool. Oh. So, those pink birds are called flamingos. Such a cool word. Flamingos. One more time. Flamingos. Flamingos. Do it, let's say it. Come on. Flamingos. 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 Yeah, it's such a fun word. They're so cool to look at too. The pink flamingos. Oh, hey, I think they're a family. Yeah. Hey, flamingos. Oh. Whoa. There's something, I think, missing here. Hey, little flamingo. Wow, we were right. Yeah, the baby flamingo said that her family needs help. She said that her family needs help. They're missing some parts, and if we could help them, they can get their parts back. Can we help the family of flamingos? Okay, cool. All right. Okay. See the baby flamingo right here? Well, she's not missing any parts. Yeah, so now we know what she looks like. They should all have the same parts as her. Let's see, let's look. What about this one? What are they missing? Huh. Oh my goodness, you're right. Ah! They're missing a leg. Yeah, flamingos have 2 legs, not 1. Okay, here you go, flamingo. Oh, yeah, good job, Bob. Good job to you too. All right, that's 1 flamingo that we've helped. Okay, what about this one? Huh. What's missing from this flamingo? Oh, of course, their beak. beak. I knew something was off. Oh, you're so good at this. Wow. Yes, that flamingo is missing their beak. Very good. All right, Bop, go ahead. Yes. Awesome. All right. Oh, what about this one? What's missing on this one? Yes, good job. You and Bop both said it. This one is missing an eye. Whoa. They're missing their eye. Bop. Yes. All right. That's so far. We've helped 3 flamingos find their missing parts. Yay. Yeah. Oh, that means there's one left. Yes. Oh, it's the other little flamingo. Oh, wow. I see 2 legs and an eye and I see a beak. Wow. Excuse me, little flamingo, could you come over here and stand by your sister? Kind of help us out? I don't know what's missing. Okay, so now we can see them side by side. What's missing? What? Wow, you are so good at this. That's totally right. The wing. Yes, oh wow. Good eye. Yes. Wow, they're missing a wing. Okay, thank you. Yeah, all right. Yes. Oh, of course, little flamingo. We're happy to help. Good job. Wow. See you later, flamingos. Come on, let's go check out some more birds in our aviary. Let's go. I know, Bop. It's so cool in here. I love seeing all these colorful birds. Oh. Do you see that? Yeah. I see the toucan. Yeah. And the parrot. What's that? What is that? You're right! Whoa! That is a crocodile. Yeah, that's a crocodile. Whoa! Hey! Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh. Yeah, the crocodile said she thinks she's lost. She said she doesn't know if she belongs in here. Well, I see 3 animals in here. Toucan, parrot, crocodile. We're in an aviary. Right? Okay. Aviaries have birds. Okay. So, does this crocodile belong in the aviary?
No.
You're right. She doesn't belong here. Right. Aviary is for birds. Yeah, that's so right. The aviary is an exhibit for all of the birds. Good job. All right. Hey, Miss Crocodile. Yeah, you're right. This is an aviary. All the birds belong in here. I think you're supposed to be with the reptiles. It's a reptile. Crocodiles, alligators, reptiles. Yeah. Sure. See you later, Miss Crocodile. Have fun with the reptiles. Oh, she was just visiting. She got lost. All right. Hey, parrot, toucan. Oh yeah? Huh. Okay. Hey, they said this is the end of the aviary. Whoa. All right, Bop. So, we went through the aviary. Yeah, and we had some cool adventures with some of our most awesome and colorful birds. What should we do next? You don't know? Let me think. Hey, Bop. I have an idea. Let's go this way. Yeah? Okay. We're gonna go check out what's over here. Yeah, see you next time. Remember, like and subscribe. See ya!